Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do just something kind of fun. Let's take this mold here and we're gonna put kind of some eyeballs in there and just make something kind of fun out of it. These are big eyes, and the brand of these, oh, these are just Crayola wiggle eyes. I have those. These are 40 millimeter, pretty big. And then I've got this also. There's 150 pieces in here of all these other little peel and stick, all different sizes. We might just put those in there. Let's put our clear resin down here first. Get this all out of here. Okay. Spread this around. Put some quick alcohol in here. Okay, so let's place our little eyes. I want to clean those up a bit. Get a clean paper towel. Okay, I'll clean. Get those placed in there. Okay, there we go, guys. That's all we're going to do for those. We're just going to make, let these eyeballs kind of settle in there. I see a little air bubble down here at the base. Up out of there. All right, that's all we're going to do for this part. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon as this is all cured. All right, see you then. Okay, everybody. Okay, so here we are with our little eyeballs here. I'm so excited to move on with this. These are completely cured, about a little more than halfway deep in there. And I've mixed up some resin, and I use this for another project, but it needs to get used. I need to get it poured here soon. So I decided to go ahead and use this for this little project. So we can finish off this little coaster. I think it's going to be just super cute. Fun. You can do any color you'd like to do, but I just decided to use this because it's handy. Okay. So what I've done is this is just Silk Blue by Wang. Okay, this is what it looks like here. Oops, gotta get myself in the camera. Okay, Silk Blue by Wang. Really like the mica powders that I get from Amazon. I buy them in the box of several colors. So anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and use this. I've already mixed up the Wang. I've put maybe about 3 really good sized scoops from a craft stick in here and mixed it. As you can see, it's actually really a pretty color. You see that? Kind of a metallic-y, silky blue. Let's go ahead and pour this in. I'm going to go around the eyes. This is probably going to have a really kind of an embedded look with the eyes, kind of like we did with the hearts. The coasters that we did for Valentine's Day also had embedded shaker hearts in them, dry shaker hearts. And they turned out really good. Really, really good. I was very happy with that. So I don't want this to overflow, so I'm going to have to really kind of keep an eye on it. I do want the eyes covered. And I'm really hoping that the resin does not go into the eyes. I hope that they're sealed all the way around really well. That is my hope. All right, this is going to be really fun. I can't wait to unmold this tomorrow and see how it does. Hopefully we don't have any bubbles that's going to form around the edges. It should be good. I'm just going to kind of keep an eye on it. If it starts pulling away, I'll probably just top it off a bit more and add a little. But other than that, gosh, you guys, this is just quick and fun. But I will see you tomorrow to unmold this. All right, I'll see you then. Okay, everybody, I'm back, and this is completely cured. Even the side is kind of cute. I don't know. I'm excited to see what we got from this and see if we kind of got that embedded look around the eyes. They should be the way that we put them into the clear. We should have them just embedded a bit. All right. Hopefully the eyes are still freely moving. Hopefully we don't have resin inside of there. Let's take a look and see how it turned out. Oh, oh my gosh. How fun is that? Oh my goodness. So the eyes are definitely embedded. Can you see how cute is this? It almost looks like Cookie Monster with this color. What do you think? Oh my gosh. That is just too fun. This makes me pretty sure I'm going to have to do all the colors now. I think I'm going to have to make myself a set of 4 of these with different colors. I mean, they're silly, but oh my gosh, how fun. You can't possibly wake up and have a bad day if you put your morning coffee on this, right? Look at that. How cute would that be? Oh, my goodness sakes. Yep, this might be something that you could even take to work. It could be the bad day coaster. Anybody that's needs a little smile could have this on their desk. Oh my gosh, how cute. So we have the faceted edges on this. I just have very limited molds that I have with me here in Oregon. So I'm kind of trying to be a little creative with the ones I've got. But you can see here the layer of clear and the layer, the back layer of the blue, and no bubbles or anything through here. Well, maybe just a couple of tiny micro bubbles, but gosh, I got to look hard to see them. Yeah, turned out great. So fun. Oh, gosh. Another thing I could do if I wanted to add even more depth to this is I could do a really thin top coat of clear. You know, I really don't even think I need it, but gosh, what do you guys think? This mold is it's a shiny mold anyway, but the blue that we use is kind of a satiny blue, a metallic satiny blue. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. I just can't lie. I really love this. So cute. Okay, so this is definitely going to be something I'm going to make more of. I don't think I can stop playing with it, honestly. And yeah. All right, let me know what you guys think. It's kind of fun, silly. I decided I'm not going to put a top coat on it. I like him just the way he is. And I don't even think, I was afraid it would miss a mouth, like a smiley face. I didn't really have anything here to use for that. I didn't bring my UV resin or my lamp, or else I could have just probably done a black on top of the clear. I could have done a black smiley face mouth, but I didn't bring any of that. So in case I thought about using even like a black piece of black shoelace, but you know what? I'm going to mess with that another time. I could even just draw one on with a black marker now. I never really thought about that till just now. But I could just draw one on and then go ahead and do a top coat. But how about we try that on the next one? Because, yeah, I'm just loving this one. All right, you guys. Here he is again. Let me know what you think. Super fun, silly, great conversation piece. Nice big mug could fit on this. And thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you had fun. And I'll see you all next time.